Good morning, friends. Good morning, friends. आवाज should be louder. Comrade, President of All India Bank Officers Confederation, West Bengal State Unit, Shomo Datta. Comrade, General Secretary, and whose brainchild is today's Youth Convention, Comrade D.T. Franco. Comrade Devmalla Mitra, he is the General Secretary of Allahabad Bank. Comrade Rahit, he is the Assistant Professor of the JNU and the former President of Jawaharlal Nehru University Students' Union, and our guest speaker, Comrade Bhattacharya, he is the General Secretary of Grameen Bank. Comrade Prakash Karatia, he is the President of Syndicate Bank of India. Comrade Shomen Rai Chaudhuri, the General Secretary of UCO Bank. Comrade Monaj, he is the Central Bank General Secretary. All India AIBOC Central Committee members, State Committee members, my dear friends, colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, those who are attending today's Youth Convention, the first National Youth Convention convened by AIBOC Central Committee. I convey you a revolutionary greetings and warm welcome in today's convention, today's inaugural function or the open session in the city of Kolkata, those who have come from every nook and corner of the country, India. In the city of Kolkata, the city of joy, the city of Swami Vivekananda. Comrade Franco, rightly he has chosen the spot, rightly he has chosen the city. He is the greatest youth leader of the whole world. Swami Vivekananda, arise, awake and stop not till the goal is reached. And it is the city of Rabindranath Tagore, where the mind is without fear, where the head is held high. Ore Nobin, ore amar kacha, ad morader gha mere tui bacha. We welcome you in the city of Kolkata, the city which has earned the prophet of Julus or Michil Nagri, means the city of rally. We are not at all apologetic for that, rather we are proud for that. In the today's morning, there was a tremendous rally in the city of Salt Lake, because in many of the occasions, this rally, this Julus, this Michil, it was the external manifestation of many of our demands, many of our protests to come to a logical conclusion. And this time also our protest of the bank employees will find a logical conclusion through this Michil and Julus in the city of Kolkata. And it will show the total India, the country itself, the path, how to come out from all the odds, how to give some sort of feedback, how to give some sort of push to the government, the mighty government. Yes, today we have assembled here, and it is I cannot restrict myself because this is a very important forum, because you all are the future trade unionists of our AIBOC, or rather to say banking industry trade union movement. Therefore, I will speak some words. I will not touch upon any of the issues haunting us, because for that the 2 days session has been convened and you will learn many things. And I hope after this 26th and 27th of Youth Convention, definitely the youth of India, the youth of banking industry, they will come out with a good vigor and good energy, and they will contribute a lot for the banking industry movement in the days to come. Friends, you will discuss many things. You will discuss many other issues, but you are to discuss, for this convention has been called, means you are to find out the relationship between the practice and the theory. The youth, always in my banks, in many of the meetings, I say to them that yes, young people, they are with many josh. You are to work with the Joses, but at the same time, you are to apply your mind, that is the host. Jos and host, the combination, if it come out, then definitely it will be a very good movement and it will give you a very good impetus in the future movement. Friends, we will discuss how the merger, that is the main issue which is haunting throughout the country, how the merger is going to ruin the entire banking industry. तालियां क्यों नहीं है? Are you supporting the merger? Are you supporting the merger? If you are not supporting the merger, then clapping should be from all around. Yes, comrade, that is the Jos. You are to discuss amongst yourself how the performance-linked salary, which is knocking in many of the banks in the door, it has come to be implemented. You are to raise opposition against this. You are to raise your voice. Why the fractured mandate has been given in some of the banks? Can we not stop the industry? Can we not stop the industry? Friends, this is a youth convention. In many of the meeting, I used to say, हंगामा करना मेरा मकसद नहीं है, सिर्फ हंगामा करना मेरा मकसद नहीं है, कोशिश है कि सूरत बदलनी चाहिए, मेरे सीने में नहीं तो तेरे सीने में सही, आग कहीं भी हो लेकिन आग जलनी चाहिए। यही आग लगाने के लिए 2 दिन का कॉन्फ्रेंस है, ये आग लगाने के लिए मैं हूं, ये आग लगना चाहिए, then only the youth convention will be successful. It is my humble request to all the young comrades, come out from this white collar trade unionism, come out from this white collar trade unionism, because nobody is going to hear your humble voice, nobody is going to hear your nagging voice. Forget about you are an officer. There should be a tremendous impetus, tremendous setback on the government. Very few we have done till late. उस दिन आपको पता चलेगा, यस, गवर्नमेंट को हमने कुछ प्रेशर कर पाए, जिस दिन आपको ये न्यूज मिल जाएगा जी ऑल द लीडर्स सिटिंग ओवर हियर दे आर सस्पेंडेड इंक्लूडिंग संजय दास। जिस दिन आपको खबर ये मिलेगा ये आपका लीडर लोग सस्पेंडेड है, उस दिन आपको समझ में आएगा यस वी हैव डन समथिंग। Otherwise, government is not going to pay any heed to your request. Government is not going to pay any heed to your humble voice. Comrade, I am telling you again and again, trade unionism is something different. But we are to learn all the things. We are going to hand over the mantle to you. Whatever we have learned from our senior leaders. Lot many senior leaders, they are sitting over there. Both the Dipankar Mitra and Dipankar Mukherjee and lot many senior leaders. They have built up this trade union brick by brick and made a strong foundation. On this strong foundation we are working as on today. You are to maintain that legacy. Fight, fight, fight. Swamiji, whatever I was talking to you, the Swamiji, the land of Swamiji. The voice should be like that. Stand up and fight all together. No one step back. Come what may. Let the whole world stand against us. Let all the stars move from the spheres. Comrade, time has come. Time has come. Goody goody trade union nahi chalega. We are to give a strike call. That is the indefinite strike call. Otherwise, government is not going to hear anything from you. Comrade, I am telling you, though it is a welcome address. Again, I welcome all of you so that you can put your heads together, you can combine your mind together, so that you can find out the roadmap for the near future, how the young people, they will find their way to augment the trade union movement in the days to come. Thank you, comrade. Again, I am conveying my heartfelt thanks to the comrades, all the delegates coming from every nook and corner of the country, and on behalf of West Bengal State Committee, I beg an apology to all of you, because within a few days this program has been arranged, and I congratulate and I convey my heartfelt thanks to the comrades of State Bank of India Officers Association, because within a few days, रात भर काम करके इन्होंने इसको सफल बनाया. तालिया तालिया तालिया. Hats off to those comrades. Hats off to those comrades. But I hope on Monday, again I am conveying one thing. On Monday, there is a big rally in the city of Kolkata under the banner of United Forum of Bank Unions. I hope all the officers of all the banks, they will participate in that rally. Because sometimes it haunts us. In the last strike action, though it was 100% successful, but I can give you the data, and Comrade Franco, he is having more data than that of me. More than 3,000 officers, they were on leave. More than 5,000 officers, they didn't participate in the strike in many of the banks. Comrade, इससे कुछ नहीं होना है. जिस दिन आपका 100% ऑफिसर आपका स्ट्राइक में पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे, जिस दिन 100% ऑफिसर आपका जो रोड का जुलूस में आएंगे, स्ट्रीट कॉर्नर मीटिंग में आएंगे, उस दिन सोचेंगे कि आपका जो स्ट्रगल जो है वो साकार बनने जा रहा है. नहीं तो हम लोग बीच रोड से हम लोग को रिटर्न करना पड़ेगा. कॉमरेड, तो विद दिस गुड विशेस and with the hope that it will be a very useful and fruitful convention, so that you can energize yourself for the next future program in the days to come. Thank you, comrade. Inqilab Jindabad, AIBUC, West Bengal State Unit Jindabad, AIBUC Central Committee Jindabad. Thank you very much.